Hello everyone. I'm sitting in the park at the Findhorn Foundation. Those of you that have been here might know this location. I'm sitting between a building called Clearwater and another one called Westwood, both of which are guest accommodations when we are able to run programs, which we're hoping to begin to be able to do later this year. We are building up to it. The message I'm going to be reading today is from Dorothy Maclean's Call of the Trees. There's not a lot of flowers around at the moment, so we're going to focus on trees for a bit. And this is from the Birch Deva. Devas, remember, are the creative intelligence that hold the idea of the seed patterning that then works through different levels of intelligence and reality and eventually becomes a form. So they're kind of like the architects that hold the idea for what will become. We have known you would come, for the awareness of our essence has been strong in you. The higher you go in appreciation of our nature, the closer you go to the heart and mind of useful beauty, which made us all. In fact, it is hard to know where we begin and where the one who created us ends. Where does a sunbeam become a sunbeam and not the sun? How could our leaves flutter without the wind? How could our bark shine white without the light? How could we stand upright without the earth to feed us and hold us? How could we be watered without the cloud and the sun to make the cloud? We exult in what we are, for so it is. We rejoice in any consciousness that appreciates what we are, that appreciates the finesse, preciseness, and delicacy, the power and patience which culminates in a birch tree. We stand in our positions here, and we stand, and as we stand, we spread what we have to contribute for all to see. We are no accident. We are part of the whole. Each plant species is individual, yet part of the whole. Here we are, above unrest, forever one with what we should be. We greet you, and we trust that you will often greet us. So birches are a pretty common tree around the northern hemisphere at least, and perhaps the next time you see one, you could say hi. Until the next time, bye for now.